The Auditor General said last week 95% of all the affordable housing units have no title deeds. Is that normal? Is it normal? Kizi university eri gari alika tu aleko gaenda turi chivest to veke gali tu agajira wana chi hostel yes ba komenya ngakere ruto chinko binge president ya agajira wana bataka chi hostel ne nyumba kwa gaje nyumba yigo takete takirwa kana 54,000 shillings a month. Omanya kwa yemenya yi. What? Mboli is what ringa. Ona won kondi buoka ora kenege.
But they are being implemented everywhere.
Barabi.
The housing.
Ata nyumba chirichi no bakondi. Jirine project jaro setibwe ngo supply simiti ne president ngo supply chuma nere ngo supply material basani bai. Yakuni kwa yaba nyoro mondo yomo ko te ngango korare ko aje nyumba ya affordable housing anywhere. Njina yaba nyoro ni nyumba chiaga chirwe they have received 96 billion shillings in the last 3 years for affordable housing, but they have built only 4,000 units. But you will see them saying in the paper they have the intended purpose, we are going to build 295,000 units. Which ones? It's another scam. Hello. Yani tura understand Kenya yekuru kwe Ponzi scheme. Ponzi scheme niki organize pyramid y'abantu kibese kikuba gukorugoro gojanse. Tiko rabantu bayudiye karaba bwakibese rike serikali nkibabu biye. Para wakachi ngobuchunkumbi chimbe. They are entitled. They feel they are entitled to this money. When you ask critical questions, ekarogo bol gusinki omugusiyaka nyolere bonus 10 shillings, lakini central abantu bana bakanyola 70 shillings baba David. Nayo kuseneta makaye nobulye. But you fools are in government. You are the ones who are supposed to tell us what the tea policy is versus Maganaki. Magane bonus. You are the one who's supposed to tell us inki mokolera obuoyo 4,900 when some places they're getting at 3,000. You are the ones who are supposed to do the monitoring and scientific evaluation with the soil content. Whether that tea is doing well or not. But then you keep telling us in the total opposition to when the Kobolia Masoto fixians. Like your fixians and Avan, the Valesca, now Valmuino, Nama Amiok. Chinkondi choke. Can you?
Mheshimiwa Onyonka is right on culture and